Wearing a mask, any mask, reduces the risk of infection with the coronavirus. This is what U.S.'s Center for Disease Control and Prevention recommended on Wednesday. The health body said that wearing a more tightly fitted surgical mask or layering a cloth mask atop a surgical mask can vastly increase protections to the wearer and others. New research by the agency shows that transmission of the virus can be reduced by more than 90% if both an infected individual and an uninfected individual wear tightly fitted surgical masks or a cloth and surgical mask combination.
In the study, wearing any type of mask performed significantly better than not wearing a mask. And well-fitting masks provided the greatest performance both at blocking emitted aerosols and exposure of aerosols to the receiver.
Results from one experiment demonstrated that the unknotted medical procedure mask alone blocked 42% of the particles from a simulated cough, and the cloth mask alone blocked 44.3% of the aerosol particles, while the double mask combination blocked 92.5% of the cough particles. Keeping in mind the findings, the CDC issued fresh masking recommendations, backing the use of masks for all.
Based on this new information, the CDC is updating the mask information for the public on the CDC website to provide new options on how to improve mask fit. This includes wearing a mask with a moldable nose wire, knotting the ear loops on your mask, or wearing a cloth mask over a procedure or disposable mask. There are also new options available to consumers called mask fitters. Small, reusable devices that cinch a cloth or medical mask and that can create a tighter fit against the face and thus improve mask performance. The bottom line is this: masks work, and they work best when they have a good fit and are worn correctly.
The study, however, had its limitations. It did not compare two surgical masks or two cloth masks. It looked at only one type of cloth mask. Though there are many types of masks in the market, another drawback is that it did not look at the effectiveness of respirators like N95s. Neither did it take note of different facial structures and features. 14 states and Washington, D.C. have implemented universal masking policies. The Joe Biden administration recently ordered that masks be worn on all federal grounds and on domestic transport as well. President Biden called on all Americans to wear masks for the first 100 days of his presidency, calling it a patriotic duty. The United States is currently the world's worst COVID-19 affected nation. Over 27 million Americans have contracted the deadly virus until now, and nearly 471,000 people have lost their life to the coronavirus. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.